everyone, good afternoon guys. This is Julie and welcome to my channel Julie's Journey. For today's video guys, I'm going to make an ice cream, a dragon fruit ice cream. It should be just only all-purpose cream and condensed milk ice cream, but I just decided to add a dragon fruit, just a try. And yeah, just going to cut the dragon fruit guys and cut it into smaller cubes, and I'm going to blend it later. So actually guys, I will advise you guys, if you want to make a dragon fruit ice cream, maybe you can cut it first into small pieces and then put in the freezer for about 2 hours. That's good. So that should be good. So now guys, yeah, I'm going to blend this. Actually guys, this is only a simple ice cream, a simple homemade ice cream guys. I don't have a mixer. But if you have a mixer at home guys, that should be perfect. Mas maganda talaga pag meron kang mixer. Iba talaga yung mixture ng ingredients to make ice cream, to make an ice cream. But I don't have it guys, kaya I can see this is just really a normal but should be tasty, should be taste good, should be delicious.